sometimes when we're timing something, when the exact moment they shoot, what would happen is we are a little bit off, and this could kind of ruin the timings as they're no longer accurate.
4.5. So that's why.
The release shot of the ball isn't going to be 0-0 because you're not shooting it from the ground. You're like shooting it from like your chest or like your head area. So it's going to be like more like 5 feet or 5.5 feet.
The impact of the backboard is critical when calculating your parabola because it makes the ball go straight down and does not allow the parabola to have that nice arc that we all imagine and like finish. So it just makes it go straight down, which kind of messes it up a little bit.
The net of the basketball hoop could increase the amount of time the ball takes to get to the ground. That would make our time inaccurate, causing our parabola to not look the same way it did while we shot.
Yeah, one is vertical distance and one is distance.
How'd you get that?
Yeah, but we need to find the axis.
The inconsistency of when we shoot the ball could potentially be an error in our process because some people shoot it from their chest and some people shoot it from their head, and we don't always keep it the same.
One here.
Wait, is it 216? What? Let's do this like 216. Because the line is the middle of the basket.
It'll be at least 200.
I mean, not 2,000, 213.
Yeah, bring this much space in that.
The gym must be higher than the Y value of the vertex. For us, that's at least 398 centimeters, because the highest point of our shot is 397 centimeters.
We would need to lower the Y vertex, the height, so it goes into the lower basket. And the A value will be lowered because it would be flat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Higher because the vertical height of the parabola would be higher. The fall time would also be higher.
Question G asks, if the basketball net was raised, how would your equation change to ensure the ball goes in the higher net? After discussing it, we came to the conclusion that not only would the vertex be higher, but the fall time would increase. And when we came back together, we found that the A value would also be a little larger, just to compensate for the height.
If an athlete's height changed, the y-intercept, also known as the C value, would increase or decrease depending on where they shot it from.
Like if that's like right, like because if like the basketball's going at like too steep of an angle, if
I think the Y value
going in or like too flat of an angle.
Use this equation to compare their shot to another person's shot to see how they could change their parabola to make it more efficient or better.
It can help someone to know where they should stand when they're doing their foul shots, so they can get a better foul shot, and they should know where to aim when they're like going up, so they can score foul shots where they
Just a pro basketball player, LeBron James, and then like you can like change your parabola, like the height or like the power, and then like you could like imitate his shot, depending on looking at his. And
Player gets hurt, the people who are trying to fix them can compare their old shot to their new shot to see if there's anything still wrong with them.